14-Day Transformation Challenge. Supercharge your daily routine for peak productivity. The modern professional's daily routine is a battleground for productivity, with distractions and time-wasting activities lurking around every corner. This essay outlines a 14-day transformation challenge designed to boost your productivity levels by optimizing your daily routine. Identify time wasters. Day 1. Many professionals waste hours each day on unproductive tasks such as email and social media. The first step in the challenge involves identifying these time wasters and setting limits on their consumption. By recognizing and minimizing these distractions, you'll free up valuable time for more productive activities. Establish a morning routine. Day 2 to 3. A well-planned morning routine can set the tone for the entire day and maximize productivity. The ideal routine includes exercise, meditation, and planning your day ahead. By establishing a consistent morning routine, you'll start your day with focus and purpose, setting yourself up for success. Optimize your workspace. Day 4. A cluttered or disorganized workspace can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress levels. To optimize your workspace, declutter, organize, and personalize it to create a productive environment. By having an organized and comfortable workspace, you'll be more focused and efficient while working. Prioritize tasks effectively. Day 5 to 6. Prioritizing tasks effectively is crucial for productivity. The Eisenhower Matrix method can help you categorize tasks into 4 categories: urgent, important, not urgent, and not important. By using the Eisenhower Matrix to prioritize your tasks, you'll ensure that you're focusing on what truly matters and reducing stress caused by procrastination. Take regular breaks. Day 7 to 8. Taking regular breaks during work can help improve focus and productivity levels. The Pomodoro technique involves working for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. By incorporating the Pomodoro technique into your daily routine, you'll maintain focus while avoiding burnout. Delegate and outsource. Day 9 to 10. Delegating and outsourcing tasks can free up time for more productive activities and reduce stress levels. Identify tasks that can be delegated to colleagues or outsourced to freelancers, and create a system for managing these tasks effectively. By delegating and outsourcing tasks, you'll increase your overall productivity while maintaining a manageable workload. Manage your energy levels. Day 11 to 12. Managing your energy levels is essential for maintaining high productivity throughout the day. Prioritize high-energy activities during times when you feel most alert, and schedule less demanding tasks for periods of low energy. By managing your energy levels, you'll maintain focus and productivity throughout the day while avoiding burnout. Review and reflect. Day 13. Reviewing and reflecting on your progress during the 14-day challenge is crucial for continued growth and improvement. Identify areas where you excelled, as well as areas that need improvement, and set goals for maintaining and building upon your productivity levels. By reflecting on your progress, you'll identify areas for continued growth and ensure that you maintain the productivity gains achieved during the challenge. Maintain your routine. Day 14 and beyond. Maintaining your optimized daily routine is essential for long-term productivity success. Set reminders, create accountability partners, and reward yourself for sticking to your routine to help ensure continued adherence. By maintaining your optimized daily routine, you'll continue to reap the benefits of increased productivity.